how to get more wheels in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can get it. So you get the more wheels when you complete a landmark. So it's better to save up money and not spend your money until you are able to complete all your landmarks in one go. So it's better to save it rather than doing or upgrading your landmarks one by one. Just upgrade them in one go by saving up money. This way you would be able to get more wheels and it will save your time and energy, because people will also be trying to destroy your landmarks. And if you use this particular strategy that I just told you, you would be able to save money, as you would be able to finishing all the landmarks in one go and people won't even get the chance to attack your landmarks. So this way you would be able to earn not just wheels but almost every other thing as well, like the dice and the levels. So this is the way to get ahead. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.